Hello students, in this video we'll be learning about HTML. In HTML we'll learn about the tag font. So let's begin with it. So I will start with Notepad. Now I will be writing the simple tag, the tag which is required. So I can just write head, body, HTML body and then body close. So it's not compulsory that every time I need to write down the head and the title tag. Is okay if it is not required. So if I don't require the title in my title bar, so I can directly start with the body. Okay, so now in this tag we'll be learning about the font. So we're using font tag. In font we have an attribute called as face. The face is basically the type of content it will be visible, so the text format or the text style which is in the font or in the Microsoft Word options. There are lots of fonts available, as we had done in Word, Excel and PowerPoint. We had lots of font to be selected. Same way for our HTML we can select any font which we want. Okay, so what exactly we'll be doing is we'll click on font and a dialog box will open up in which I will be selecting the type of font which I want. So here there are n numbers of font which is there. So let's say I want Arial. Okay. So this is the font I want. I will select the font, or I will remember the spelling and say okay. I will paste it here and then let's say this is the font tag and close the font, and I will save the file on my desktop. 6a, that will be P8. Okay, dot html. Dot html is compulsory after the file, so whatever the file name is at the end I need to write dot html and I will save the file. Once the file is saved, I will minimize this thing and I will go to my desktop. So here I can see 6AP8. So I will double click on it. So here you can see the font which is available. So what I will do is, in front of you I will change the name of the font so you can see what exactly the font will look like now. This is the font style which we have taken. So I will select any other name which I want. Okay, let's say I want to go for Times New Roman. Control C and Control V. So I have pasted the name Times New Roman in the attribute face. I have saved the file. I will go to the browser. Okay, now what I will do is I will refresh it. So once the so the change, the font style have changed. Okay, now the next one is the size. Size is equal to 25. Okay, I save it and I go to the browser and I refresh it. So you can change the size also. And the last one is color. I can say color, any color which I want. Save the file, go to the browser, refresh it. So the color have changed. I will decrease the size of the font, make it two. Okay, so the font size have changed. And let's say font tag, we have these three attribute: face, size and color. and you have understood how to how the color is changing, how the size is changing, and how the font style is changing depending upon what face I am providing in that particular thing. So whatever name I provide inside the face attribute, that particular content will be having that particular style. Okay, the font style will be changing as per the name I am providing in the face attribute. Okay, this is the logic of the font tag. I hope you have understood this from this video. uh, this is all in the HTML which we have done in 6th standard. Now in 7th standard and 8th standard we will have little bit advanced topic about the HTML. So see you in the next session. Bye bye, take care.